back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a part of this gang. This next gang is the latest gang of all gang. Point blank, period. So I'm really tired because today was a really long day and it was a sucky day. There was no sun out. It was just drab. So I'm ready to go to sleep, but I want to film this video because I'm very tired and sick of my straight hair. Only reason why I left it in so long, aka like not even a week, is because I was too lazy to wash it. But now it's like all types of nappy and tangly because I got like face masks in it and all types of stuff. I just need to treat it. I'm tired of these split ends. I wanted to treat my hair first, so I went to this curly hair shop and I got some some special shampoo that I forgot what the name of it was. So they gave me shampoo, so they said that this is 2 uses, about two washes, and this is Olaplex. This is not the store-bought brand. This is not number 2, number 3. This is the actual like Olaplex that they use on your hair, so that's why it's in this container. This is 1 treatment, and I only got 1 because I made an appointment for next week to get a root touch-up and all types of stuff. So stay tuned for that when I get my hair done right. And then this, I guess, is to wrap your hair after you put it in. It's pretty huge. Then I got this Inner Scent product because I asked them what was a little bit more moisturizing than Diva Curl products, because that's the only products I use on my hair. So they recommended this, so we'll see what it's gonna do tomorrow. But for now, I'm just gonna wash my hair, go to sleep. So let's get started. Okay, so my camera died, obviously, but this is what it's looking like. Really ratchet, really droopy, but it's cool, it's whatever, because I'm going to sleep. Well, after I do my face routine. Now I'm gonna put my bonnet on. And boom! My hair was super dry after I washed it. I don't know if it's because of the shampoo or because it was just dry in general from being straightened, but I did not like the feeling. The Olaplex definitely gave it slip so I could comb my hair. Make sure when you guys are combing your hair, you're being very gentle because you don't want to break or damage your hair any more than it probably is. I'm about to see you guys tomorrow. Good morning! So it's the next morning and I got my pillow so red because I guess the plastic came off and it ruined my perfectly beautiful gold bonnet. Wow. The bottom is pretty wet. Can you hear it? Oh, I should do a hair ASMR. What y'all think? So it stained my hands a little bit. It was worse last night and it stained my nails. I don't think the camera's picking it up. But this is temporary hair dye. As you can see, I washed it really good and it's not coming out. So the hair dye that I use is from this brand called Fanola, and I used their Rosso color mask and I used their pink one. I don't know where it is, but this is what I used, and it's supposed to disappear after some washes. But like I said, my hair was already platinum before I colored it, so I think I'm stuck with this. I went to the curly hair store yesterday and they was like, yeah, your hair is stained. I don't think you're ever gonna be able to get back that blonde. It's so devastating to hear something like that. I mean, it's obviously something I knew, but color is such a commitment. So I got this green color if I ever decide to go green. Got this orangey color, peachy orange color, and then I got this lavender color. But those are all dark, so I don't know. We're gonna see. So if you ever have platinum blonde, just know it's going to stain it. So yeah, I'm just about to wash this out, apply my new products that I use. This is not a curly hair routine because I'm using new products that I don't normally use, so we'll see how it turns out at the end. Making a TikTok of this transformation. So normally I'll put the TikTok in the video to convince y'all to go follow the TikTok, but just go follow the TikTok so y'all can see the result of me washing my hair, and y'all could be like, who watched the video? Me. All right, let me stop and continue because I have stuff to tell. Okay, don't kill me because I used a towel. My hair is red and I don't have like a red shirt or a microfiber towel. So if you guys know where I could find a fire microfiber towel, or like, I know there's another brand that I heard is new that is cool, I just don't know the name of it, let me know. Okay, now to style. So normally I would use Miss Jessie's curls. I'm not going to tell you everything that I would use because I'm going to do a curly hair tutorial. My actual routine, it changes. Every curly hair girl, curly hair routine changes after so long, because sometimes your hair doesn't react the same that it reacted the first time that you did it. Okay, so the lady at the place said they want me to use Be Leavin' by Diva Curl first, and then use Inner Sense Creative Volume Volumizing Lotion. So I thought that volume was gonna, it was gonna make your hair bigger, but she explained to me that something that says volume means that it's just a really light product, so light that it will give you that volume, I guess. So I'm gonna use this, then I'm gonna use this. I normally only use one product because I like so much volume in my hair, even though it's thirsty. If I put too much product in it, it's gonna be really flat, and I like a really big hair. So let's do it. I'm gonna put this in it, then I'm gonna put this in it, and then I'm just going to start diffusing. Yeah. Now that it is 95% dry, I'm going to pick it with this pick that I got from the beauty supply store. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, once it was mostly dry, I just went in crazy with the pick. I went out and I also went in because going out was not giving me enough volume. So let me get a close-up of this. If you're somebody who does not like frizz, this method is definitely not for you, because when you get frizz, sometimes you lose some curls and it's annoying, but you just gotta choose. This curly game is all about picking and choosing what you want, what you're gonna sacrifice to get something else. So yeah, I like it. I'm gonna like it even more probably tomorrow because it's gonna be more fluffier, and to revive it, I'm gonna spray a little bit, so I'm gonna get a little bit of the curls back. That I never really like first day hair that much, but using these products, I'm not gonna lie, I do like the outcome. Let's see what it looks like in a couple of days, but I do like the outcome. It's feather light, which I didn't think it would be because they both kind of feel like gel, but it's so true, they're volumizing because they're so light. So I do like the feeling, but I want to use it a little bit more before I decide to add it to my curly hair routine or not. This is what we're looking at. This is with my hair all to the front. As you can see, it doesn't look any different than what it would look like if I never straightened it. I don't have any damage. I do need my ends cut, like probably these or something, but that's okay because I made an appointment for next week. This is what it looks like in the back. Can y'all see that? And without putting my hair to the front, this is what it would look like. Really weird. So for pictures and stuff, I just bring it all the way to the front so it looks super duper big and voluminous, and it looks like I have a lot of hair when in reality I don't really. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have anything that you want to recommend, or if you have any questions, make sure you leave it down below, because this is my beauty channel and it has comments unlike my main channel. Make sure you are following my TikTok so you can see the aftermath of the video that I was doing, the transformation. And yeah, if you guys have any recommendations of what I should do as far as beauty, things that I should try out, make sure you let me in the comments. I love you, Vanessa, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!